In the words of a broken heart, it's just emotions taking me over. Run program. Looks like it's working. Okay, we got the newspaper. Okay, so this is the final look. I just, ran the curling iron through it and then just ran my hands through it, which I kind of want to a little bit more just to break these curls up a bit. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to go ahead and insert the picture, which was taken with the final setup. This was taken at nighttime. It was completely dark outside, so it's purely just all the lights that I set up. And you can see that it's much, much better